So you want to create good YouTube videos? Then you're in the right place, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys 10 secrets experts use to create better YouTube videos. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's also Ella. I post new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, sharing vlogs and all things YouTube related. So if any of this is of interest to you, be sure to subscribe down below and we could get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to consider in creating good videos is your background. Your background needs to be clean, it needs to be nice, it needs to not be messy, because your viewers take note of your background, believe me. So you guys should just like try out your options, check for different backgrounds, but just make sure that wherever you pick isn't dark and isn't messy. Like it has like a clean thing to look at. It doesn't have like maybe a whole pile of something facing here or something facing here that is distracting the people from actually looking at your face. They need to be focused on you. The background needs to be clean, and then you just need to be the center of their attraction. They don't need to be distracted by whatever you have in the back. So make everywhere tidy and make everywhere really bright. Make the colors either white or just a bright color. Make sure it's not something dark. Make sure it looks neat and you're good to go. Okay, so the second tip is to be yourself. Like, yeah, this is like so important because you want your viewers to be able to relate with you. This is something I'm currently still working on, because most times I get too uptight, or maybe I script down and then I want to say everything I'm saying word for word, so I look maybe smart, or then also I pass out a certain information that I want to pass out. So then I tend to just be so uptight and like I fail to bring out my character. I just like stay there and talk to you like a robot or like a teacher. Meanwhile, I'm supposed to be like relating to you guys like a friend. So like sometimes I just get all in my head and then I just get all uptight, and then I just come in and then I just spit out whatever I want to say and then I just go. But you actually have to be yourself, especially when you're like a lifestyle person, and then you have to do with your life and then vlogs and stuff like that. People have to be able to relate with you when they watch your videos. They have to be able to get you. Actually, for every niche you go into, people actually have to be able to relate with you, find that connection, understand you, where you're coming from and where you're going to and where you're leading them. To be able to subscribe to you and get you, they need to be able to understand you, relate with you. So this is actually very important, because you have to be yourself. If you're not yourself, then you look like a copycat, or you look like you're faking it, and you do not want to be fake. You want to be original, you want to be real, so people can understand you. So the third is to change your video face. This is something I feel like we should all know, because it helps you keep your viewers engaged in your video. It helps your video actually look more professional, more pro-like, because it has to do with edit. So what you should do is you should move around with your videos or slowly zoom in and out depending on the context, because this helps with your viewers, to keep your viewers engaged in your video and for them to understand the seriousness of what you're talking about. It also helps your video look more pro-like, because like that's like just little edits that make your videos look really good and really professional. Fourth one is to have a plan for each video. When you shoot a video without having an idea of what you want to talk about or what you want to say in the video, you realize that you spend most of your time rambling about nothing, just going on and on without actually giving out any point, without actually giving out anything valuable. I used to do this, but now I just like to have notes prepared for when I shoot a video, so that whenever I get lost, I just take a quick glance and then I keep flowing, thereby keeping the video valuable all through, so I don't end up saying nonsense or just talking on and on without actually hitting a point. So I'll tell you guys to take time to plan your videos. You realize that your videos are actually shorter, more valuable and way more enjoyable, because you're going from fact to fact to fact to fact. You're not rambling on about nonsense, you're giving them the real deal. Okay, so the next thing I'll tell you to do is to delete all pauses. Like this is something I see a lot of YouTubers making their videos. I mean, I've been watching some videos and then I see them maybe pause to take a breath or something. Yes, sometimes you have to pause to take a breath, or maybe pause to think about what to say next or something like that, but it's not necessary to put out your video with that pause. You're talking and then you keep talking again. It's not necessary to keep that pause in it. Just take it out and just keep flowing. So you just keep flowing all through. You don't have to show them that you pause to maybe to drink water, or you pause to catch your breath, or you pause to do anything. Just keep flowing. Realize that you like some of the pauses, like maybe some where like dramatic or some just like cute, then you can actually leave those ones. But if they're not like that, delete all of them. I'll actually just delete all of them, whether they're cute or not. I'll just delete every one of them, because I want to just like jump from fact to fact to fact. So I suggest that you just delete all pauses, so your videos just like flow all through. Because if you look at most of these big YouTubers video, you see that they don't really pause, they don't do anything, they just get to the point and just get out of there. Do not waste anybody's time. So you want to be like that. You don't want to just like keep your viewers there and watching you breathe or watching you drink water or something like that. You just need to keep your video valuable. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to tell you guys to do is to add text and screen to your videos. Those little text and screen you'll have to watch and read helps to like make the video less boring, and it also helps to emphasize on your point so you guys will get what I'm saying better. It serves as a caption to help improve on your point you fail to explain well. So for instance, you shoot a video and then you've already like put out the video and you're done recording the video, you're done making the video, and then you realize that okay, this particular part you didn't really explain it properly. You could add like a text, or you could add like screens to your videos to get the viewers to understand what you mean more and understand what you're saying more. So like instead of just leaving it there for them to be confused, you can actually add like this text and these screens to get them to understand what you're saying, and it actually makes your video look a lot more professional. It makes your video look like not just like a video for children. It makes you look a lot professional in what you're doing. So you should definitely add text and screen. It doesn't matter how you do it, just make sure you do it, and make sure you do it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to tell you guys to do is add background music. If you want your videos to look a lot more professional, then make sure you add background music, because this helps your video to be a lot more enjoyable. Even if it's not so loud, it could be just like 20% or 30% loud, and then it's still good because it's there, and then people can actually hear it, but not just like, it's not just like overshadowing your own voice or something. It's just there, and then it's just like making them like okay, they're actually enjoying the music and they're actually enjoying what you're saying, plus the text and everything that's popping up in the screen. Trust me, your video is going to be banging if you do all these things. So make sure you add background music to your videos. Make sure you add text and end screen, and do everything I ask you to do. When you're adding the music, watch out for copyright. I have like a video put out where you could get copyright free music, so you do not get a copyright claim in your video. So make sure you check out that video to know where you could get copyright free music from. I gave you guys like 6 places to get copyright free music for free, so make sure you go there and check the video out. So the next thing I'm going to tell you guys to do, this is like one that I feel like a lot of people know and a lot of people just take for granted. Find the right equipment, like make use of the right equipment. A very good editing software, a very good lighting, a very good camera, a very good speaker or microphone. This helps. I don't really have a microphone because I feel like what I'm using now is still really good, but I really need a ring light, and I'm going to get one soon. Make sure if you find out whatever is making your videos not look good, make sure you fix it and your videos will just look a lot more better. I feel like when I get my ring light, my videos are going to be banging, because right now I'm using natural sunlight and it's not really like amazing. I mean, it's serving the purpose, but it could be better, and I really want it to be better. So just check out your videos and check out what is wrong. It could be maybe your microphone, or it could be maybe your camera. If you do not know what is wrong, just like hit me up and send me one of your videos, and I'll tell you if I think anything is wrong or whatever is wrong with your video. Trust me, I'll do that. Just hit me up. And so the very last one I want you guys to take note of is like the most important, which is have fun while shooting your video. It's just YouTube. Just have fun while shooting your videos. Just have fun while making your videos. This is something I actually really struggle with, because I feel like my niche isn't something that I should be all playing and everything with, but I just feel like you should just bring out your personality, just bring out who you are. This is something I'm still working on, as I said before, because most times I find myself just sitting in front of the camera and just talking on and on and on and just being boring. But bring out your personality, because if you're having fun, definitely your viewers are going to be having fun. Just like in all those lifestyle videos, the vlogs and everything, you actually maybe going out and like, you know, doing stuff and you're happy, and then your viewers are actually happy with you because they see that you're genuinely happy. So if you're making your videos and you're actually happy, you're actually having fun with it, and not just thinking about maybe the money, or you're thinking about whatever you're thinking about, then you'd be fine. Your viewers will like your videos, and your videos will look a lot more professional because you're actually free. But just work on it and like be yourself, and we'll all be good. So yeah, that's it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, then give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Comment down what video you want to see next. I love you guys. Bye.